Hello viewers, here is an Hawaiian Breeze oscillating fan, and normally I don't buy things this new, but I kind of thought it was interesting because it's an oscillating fan, and we don't see too many fans of this size that have oscillating capabilities. Pretty sure it's just a 6 or 7 inch fan. Let's take a look here. 7 inches. There's some conflicting information down here. One sticker says 06, the other says 2008. So I'm not too sure when it's actually from. It is made by Medea Environment Appliances, which I have found overall to be a generally reasonable brand. 0.4 amps, it probably has the shaded pole motor in it. But I mean, it seems reasonably well made. It's got the metal guard in the front, which is fairly easy to take off, I believe. This just needs to be tightened so it stays out. So let's plug it in and see how it works. Start off with 1. Well, that's not working very well. Got locked bearings. Well, maybe it's freeing up a little bit now. It's not moving very much air. You can tell the oscillating mechanism is pretty tight. Let's try low again. Yeah, it could really benefit from some lubrication. I'm pretty sure this is not as fast as low is supposed to be. It's moving some air, not very much. High isn't bad, it pushes a decent amount of air. Actually, that's not too bad. It's kind of noisy though. Oh my goodness. Why in the world did that happen? Huh. I wonder if this switch is shorting out or something. That was weird. Well, either way, it needs to be oiled quite a bit, and we'll check the switch out for safety. Otherwise, it seems to be working. Doesn't seem like anything beyond repair.